What's bubbling here? Oink, oink! It's a pig! Let's feed it. Here! Maybe a coin? No? Perhaps food for pigs? Yay! What's behind this bush? Let me help you. Look, it's a duck. Want some candy? Don't like? What about bread? Tasty. Whose tail is it? Come on. Huh? It's a cow. Have some acorn. Not tasty enough? Try some dry fodder instead. Do you hear this stomp? It's a horse. Let's give it something tasty. Do horses eat eggs? Hey, calm down. Here, have an apple. Everyone loves apples. That's a chicken there. Want some acorn? Oh no! Maybe velour grasses? Absolutely not. Maybe corn? Hee hee! Chicken loves corn. Oh look! We feed all animals on the farm. Congratulations! You are the best!